You're gonna try pink pineapple for the first time. What's all this spin? Now watch again. Now fucking fight. Give us like a pink pineapple. Fucking bastards. Still will make it. This hunt? Maybe. Go still try to plant it. Oh, pink. Pink. This pink. Smells different. I mean, I'm no expert on shopping cutting pineapples. Here we go. ¿Cómo le cortamos? Circles?
Ajá. Pero fueron pedacitos.
Okay, let's cut it así like always.
Créemelo.
Hey.
Es una rosita la neta, de verdad. Mira.
Looks good. We'll see. Let me flip it over.
El detalle es la prueba.
Yep. You're gonna try para get garbage.
Es del monte.
Garbage.
¿Sí lo había visto?
Garbage?
Ya. Sí lo había visto, pero nunca lo había probado.
No. First time for everything.
Ya. Huele poquito a piña.
Okay, ready for the taste? Let's chop it up.
Tú agárrale.
That's what I did. Get the heart out. Just for taste. Like I said, I'm no expert in